I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up alerts on the Amex app, follow these simple steps to stay updated on your account activity. Step 1. Open the Amex app. Launch the American Express app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon or the settings gear in the top corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select notifications. In the account settings menu, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can manage all alert preferences. Step 4. Enable alerts. You will see a list of different alert types. Toggle on the alerts you want to receive, such as transaction notifications or payment reminders. Step 5. Customize alert preferences. After enabling alerts, you can customize how you receive them via push notifications, email, or SMS. Choose your preferred method for each alert type. Remember, if you don't see the notifications option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy alert setting.